Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Slow and steady, Bitcoin continues climbing from the trenches of 107,500, now holding above 109,300 as discussed yesterday. Price action is working toward 111,000 and then 112,000, a level nearly touched twice in the last 24 hours. Volatility remains elevated, with intraday swings as low as 108,400 before recovering to 111,800 within just 2 hours. Let's review the heat maps. On the one-day view, the key zone sits around 111,900 and extends upward to 113,200. On the 3-day view, a significant level remains below at roughly 106,900. Note that upcoming U.S. employment data for August is due Friday, September 5th at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, which could shape near-term movements. On the weekly view, the same 106,900 zone stands out, but there's also an upper pocket between 111,800 and 115,300 that could activate if buyers keep pressing upward. Turning to ETF flows, September 2nd recorded about $332.8 million in net inflows, following the Labor Day holiday. Fidelity led with around $132.7 million, while IBIT added $72.9 million. 7 of 11 issuers reported positive flows, with the rest flat. In related news, Strategy disclosed the purchase of another 4,048 Bitcoin, worth roughly $449.3 million at an average cost of about $110,981 per coin. As of September 1st, their total holdings stand near 636,500 Bitcoin, with a combined acquisition value estimated at $46.95 billion. Separately, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission jointly announced plans to support regulated platforms in offering certain spot asset products, including Bitcoin. This could expand accessibility and deepen integration with broader markets. I'll continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart discussions. Tap the like button if you found value, and subscribe with notifications enabled so you never miss an update. And see you in the next one.